catch me howling at the moon. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
Proud as fuck of it. I think it's cool as shit. And now I'm excited! The plant babies! Plant babies shall be giveth life it. Untouched plant babies. And they're not all going to be shoved in a tiny little bed anymore. I'm satisfied. Oh. What do you mean? Oh yeah, because our last one, eh? Yeah.